Dear law aspirants, strategy is always more important to cracking an entrance exam than knowledge ever is. In this video, we talk about the arch enemy of all CLAT aspirants, current affairs. While making the journey interesting and learning current affairs as a curiosity you care about is important, from an exam point of view, learning what current affairs is most important and can be key to cracking the CLAT. Before we jump in, let me take a moment to tell you about Indic Law's Crash Course for CLAT. Designed and taught by NLU graduates who've been through the CLAT journey, we'll equip you in all sections including CA. Check out our website from the link in the description and register soon. Seats are filling up fast. Here, we want you to know that our take on this is based on previous trends, and while trends help in zeroing down on what to concentrate on, trends can also suddenly change. Having said that, let's delve right into it. As discussed in a previous video, the pattern of CLAT current affairs section has changed from an objective type question pattern to a passage type question pattern with passages of up to 450 words each. So while preparing for current affairs, you need to be aware of the same and understand the news and other sources deeply to better attempt the section. Without further ado, we move on to the crux of our topic for this video. As per trends based on previous year's papers, most questions from the current affairs sections were asked from across the months of August of the previous year through April of the year of the exam. Furthermore, the key questions were asked from the period between December to April. However, this doesn't mean that you can ignore other periods. Hence, the current affairs across the months of August 2021 through April 2022 can be observed to be key for this year's CLAT, with special emphasis on the time span between December 2021 and April 2022. Your answers have a bearing on what university you'll be studying in the coming 5 years, and the quality of NLU would have a huge bearing on how your career would transpire. Hence, do prepare on the other months as well. Also, do check out our video on how to prepare for current affairs and general knowledge section of CLAT on Indic Law's YouTube channel. Here are a few quick tips for your preparation of this section. 1. A comprehensive reading of a good national daily is highly recommended, as is keeping daily notes. 2. While reading, attach importance to the editorial portions which are based on current events and the vocabulary. 3. A magazine which helps you review all the current affairs of that month is also useful. 4. It is recommended that you watch some news each day to keep up with world events. Multiple podcasts are also available on Spotify, which you could listen to on the go as well. While addressing this section, please do bear in mind that it is almost purely factual. There is no subjectivity which can be made use of. This section being purely objective, we would recommend not guessing answers which might cost you dearly in the final entrance course. Rather, learning the right strategy can give you leeway to take some risk which can be rewarding. We can help you find the right balance. Check out our schedule and self-paced courses on our website. Let's get prepping.